Hey y'all, it's Jamila and I'm back with another tutorial. With the holiday season right around the corner and everybody getting ready for vendor shows and things like that, I thought I'd do a tutorial on how to make a Santa cam. Everything in this video, or almost everything that I used, I got from the Dollar Tree, but don't worry, if you can't find them at your Dollar Tree, I will link another place that you can get these. But before I get started, if you're new here, let me go ahead and welcome you. Hit the subscribe button and turn on the little bell notification so you don't miss any of my tutorials. Let's get right into it. You're going to need a large Christmas ball, a camera lens, red glitter, some kind of transferring apparatus, hot glue gun, something to transfer your design, and polycrylic. So the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and transfer my design over to the ball. I'm going to cut this off. And I'm just going to use the cup to center it. Now I've already transferred my design onto a piece of my lint roller tape. And because this is a curved surface, I'm actually going to do this one at a time. You can cut them in half if you want. This design is actually out of Cricut Design Space, and I will link that too. And what I like to do is figure out where I want it to go and stick the middle first. And then just scrape it on. You can use your scraper, you can use your fingers, and then roll the transfer tape off. Now before I get that all the way off, I'm going to just roll the tape off. Now I am going to stick the word Cam right below it and follow the same stick the word Cam below it and go ahead and stick it in the middle, and then roll it off also. Now, depending on the camera lens you have, you may have to take it apart first. So I'm going to go ahead and take this one apart, and this one just screws off. That's the only part we need. We don't need this little clip part. Take a little bead of hot glue. It's probably more than a little bead, so I'm going to wipe some of that off of there and stick your camera right in the middle. And there's the first part of the Santa cam. So now we got to get the glitter inside. So you take that top part off, and using your cup again, just set your ball right down into the cup so that the opening is up. Open up your polycrylic, and if it's been sitting a while, give it a little stir, or give it a little stir anyway. And I'm just going to take a little bit of this and put it right down in there. I'll just coat the entire inside with the polycrylic. You just keep rolling. If you need to add a little bit more, go ahead and add a little bit more. Just make sure that everything is completely coated. And then sit down in your cup for the remainder to drain out. that's draining, I'm going to talk about this guy a little bit. I love this cordless glue gun. I don't know why I waited so long to get one, but the fun thing is that it attaches to the battery. And the battery is also good for like your cordless screwdrivers and drills and things like that. And it just sits on top of here. And when you're ready to use it, you just turn that on. And then it has a little plate to catch your little drippings. It's pretty awesome. All right, so once your polycrylic is done dripping out, you can dispose of what's in the cup or whatever. You are going to pour in your glitter and then do the same thing. You just want to coat the inside. With glitter. And try not to make a mess while you're coating. When you're all done, you can put this back in there. And tie a ribbon on the top for it to hang from your tree. To tie my ribbon, I just take the ends and put them together and tie a knot in the ends at the very end. Then I slide that through and give it a loop. And that's how you make a Santa Cam.